Hi, this is Wesley Dodson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1972 Chevrolet Super Cheyenne. This is powered by a 402 big block, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air, bucket seats, got a console, just an awesome truck, and we're going to take a look at it. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any truck or car that we have for sale. If you have interest, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take a look at this 1972 Chevrolet Super Cheyenne. Absolutely gorgeous truck right here. Finished in beautiful orange with white two-tone. Just one-of-a-kind truck. Just absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. We're going to take a look at it here. I love the wheels and tires choice. Really brings out the truck. Excellent. All right, first we're going to take a look at this passenger side of the interior here. Show you all the doors. All look great. All the door panels look good. All super clean. Let me show you that glove box sticker. 1 second here. Glove box sticker. Really looks good. Glove box shuts easy. It's really nice on the inside. Big back glass. It's even got the original sticker there. Pretty awesome. Shut the door here. Take a look inside of the bed. All inside the bed's finished beautifully. Really clean on the inside of the bed. Love the wood grain with the chrome slots. Really looks good. All right, he's gonna start it up for me. Cut it off here. Just really clean on the inside. Really looks good there. All right, I'm gonna shut the door here. Oh, let me show you the bottom of the door. Shut the door. Take a look underneath the hood here. Like I said, it's got a 402 big block in it, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioner. Just a really awesome truck. Does have a date correct 402 big block. It is out of a 1972 truck, so could not find the VIN number stamped on the truck, but to the best of my knowledge, it is the correct motor for the truck. So really clean and nice. Shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the 1972 Chevrolet Super Cheyenne. If you have questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this beautiful truck for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1972 Chevrolet Super Cheyenne for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect to be test driving classic trucks, just like this one. Super awesome truck, and we're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. All right, here we go. Well, maybe not. Got a Jeep coming here. Just 1 second here. As long as we miss the trailer there. We are almost ready, getting out of this traffic here. All right, here we go. the gears the right way. Just an excellent driving car. I'll show you the tack working there. Like I do every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this truck's made of as we go around the corner here. Got a couple of cars coming here. Here we go. Well, got one more coming. Well, here we go.
Good stock, a little too big block. Runs great, shifts out right. Just wonderful truck.
Yeah, just a great driving truck. Something you can get in. The only thing you would have to do with the truck is get a trophy case for all the trophies that you're going to win when you take it to the shows. So that's the only thing you'd have to do with it, and just a fantastic truck. It really is top of the class. All right, we're almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton, and you can see more cool trucks and muscle cars just like this one. All right, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath.